out here in DeSoto. Remote start, auto pay, 730. This Charger got a little something different to it though. Now everybody's seen the infamous truck, the F-150, the black one, that started up in the door. Well, this Charger do the same thing. First time on a Charger, got it on video. So, you know, it's lock and unlock from the remote. Alright. Trunk pops, as usual. Alright, we got all that out the way. Now, this alarm right here, this auto page, RS730. It's a cold piece. A lot of people want to go with Viper. I have nothing against Viper. These SOM guns right here, it's a cold SOM gun. What I'm about to do is, I'm gonna go to the door. Oh yeah, and this here too, because I'm thirsty in the stomach, bitch, and I need something to drink. I had to throw that in there. Brisk juice pink lemonade. Go get you one. Alright. As y'all see, once again, there's nobody in the car. Nobody in the car. There is a button in this door. It's gonna start. On time. And not only can it be started from the door, I'm also turn it off. Car off. Push the start in the door handle. Once again, first time on a Dodge Charger. And I'm pretty sure this won't be the last one. So, y'all see the car. Gonna be some more stuff done to it. It's gonna be the last time it's gonna be in the video. So, that being said, we're gonna cut this one. More things will come on this Dodge Charger. Alderman Precious TV, we out.